Fish tucker, fish tucker, fish tucker, man. Fish tucker, fish tucker, the fish tucker, man. Oh yeah. Well, it's not what I was going for, but I'll show you how you cook this up tonight. Woohoo! That's a nice little bloody rock groper. I think it'd go as a snapper, but I'm not going to complain about this one. Nice fighting fish too. Oh, he just slapped me in the head. Welcome back, viewers, for another episode of Dom's Fish Tucker Man. We're cooking this fish, which is called on the chart, it's called a brown spotted wrasse. Edibility quality, it's rated 4, so it's quite good. It's part of the groper family, so I'm going to be a bit delicate, but also I'm going to be quite rustic on this one. The first thing I'm going to do is just grab my scaler. I'm not going to scale the whole fish because I've got a little trick lined up later on. I'm just going to scale the underbelly and basically just clean the fish. So if you're a bit wheezy, turn away because you're just going to see guts. Rip it out, wash it up, and I'll dress it up and I'll cook it up later on. So I've cleaned up the fish, got rid of all the guts, nice and clean. I'm going to put in some few basic herbs. I've got some nice fresh parsley from the garden, and I've got this here. It's called lemon myrtle. So this is a native plant here in WA. It's very lemony smellish, and this is what the classified as bush tucker. So we're going to marinate with this. A few cloves of garlic, put it in the body, chop this up, chuck it all in. Good. And sorry, but to use a bit of European influence, got some top-notch white wine. Let the fish drink a bit. Make sure it is a good job. Yep, it's good. So put it all up there. We're gonna let it sit, an hour or two, let it marinate. So here comes for the moment of truth. We've got the fish in this grill, and we're going to cook it on the coals. What I'm going to do, put it on and just sit back, have a beer, enjoy the warmth, and hopefully in about half an hour's time we've got some nice fish for dinner. So it's been cooking on one side about 15 minutes. I'm just going to turn it on the other side. Oh. Okay. You can see why we left the scales on, because it's actually protecting the meat underneath. It doesn't look charred, but that's okay, because we'll clean it up later when we start eating it. Mmm. Okay viewers, it's been cooking for about a good 40 minutes now, and I just opened up the skin. It's a good thing that I left the scales on it because it has protected the flesh. This is the moment of truth. Oh, look at that. Steaming. Oh. That's how you cook fish. I love it. Bit of salt, bit of oil. Mmm. I'm not going to put it in the plate. I want it from here. Anyway, we'll plate it up and I'll show you what we do. Salt.
Stuff on the floor.
Bit of olive oil. Bit of garden salad. bit of crushed chili, garlic, bit of chili powder. And now, that's our master chef. There you go, folks, the end product. Big fat fillet of the king wrasse we got.
Fish,
Right.
tucker,
Bit of
fish,
sparkling.
tucker, fish,
Salud.
tucker,
Cheers,
man. Fish, tucker, the fish, tucker, man.